Hi, this is Sadia. Today I am going to configure HA between Paloalto Firewall. So as you can see here, LAN subnet I am using 192.168.1.0/24 and LAN 1 IP address 10 and LAN 2 IP address 20. So Palo Alto 1 I will use as active and Palo Alto 2 firewall I will use as a passive, and interface 1 by 2 would be in inside and interface 1 by 2 of the passive would be in inside. And for HA I am using interface 1 by 1 and HA control HA backup I am using 1 by 4. So outside IP address I am using 8.8.10 for outside, and HIP address I am using 10.10. For primary means HA, and HA backup 20.20.0/24. So and this is the management interface. Through management interface I am accessing the both firewall. So here I can show I am using admin. This is the I've given a host name Palo Alto PA1 and this is the PA2. So now I can log in. Here you can see on the dash PA2 and here you can see PA1. So let's start the configuration. Why it's not accessible? Yeah, it's taking time. Yeah guys, you can see here PA1 and here PA2. So first I have to go in network for HA configuration, and here you can see the interface and which interface I want to use in HA. So HA interface 1 by 1 I would use in, so I have to change the interface 1 by 1. So interface type I have to change the interface type. I want to use this interface in HA and just click OK. And again interface 1 by 4 interface 1 by 4 I will change 1 by 4 HA. Okay, now I will go in device, and here you can see in this line a high availability, and just click on edit. I want to enable HA. Yeah, you can use number between 1 to 63, so I am using 10, and this group ID should be same on both firewall, and you can give description anything. Active I am giving active, and peer IP address. So peer IP address I am using 10.10.10.2 and 20.20.20.2. Backup 20.20.2 and HA 10.10.2. Okay, so here 10.10.10.2 20.20.20.2 done. I have to go active passive setting. So here I need to change. I want to check on auto and just OK. Election setting I want to by default 100, so I am using 10. Okay, preemptive I want to okay. Now here control HA1 and HA backup. Okay, just click here, and which interface I want to use in HA, which already we have given interface 1 by 1 and interface 1 by 4. So interface 1 by 1 and IP address you have to give. So IP address I am using 10.10.1 and 20.20.1. 10.10.10.1, 255.255.255.0. No need to define any gateway, no need to give any gateway IP address. Okay. In backup, edit and give which interface here? Interface 1/4. So interface 1/4 I am using as a backup. So HA backup IP address should be 20.20.1. So here 20.20.20.1, 255.255.255.0, and no need to give gateway. Okay, here done, and just commit. Yeah, go in Paloalto 2 firewall and just go in network, and again you have to go in interface, and which interface I want to use? Interface 1/1, interface 1/1. So here HA done, again interface 4/1, interface 4/1, and just check HA type would, interface type would should be HA. Done. Again I have to go on device, %. I'm device and go in high availability. Click enable HA. Group and number 10 I'm using. I will use this as a passive. Description I am giving. Peer IP address. So peer IP address would be 10.10.1 and 20.20.1. I mean secondary 10.10.10.1, 20.20.20.1. Done. Click on passive active setting, check on auto. Election setting, elections in a preemption. What preemption I have given here? Preemption 10. So device priority I am giving 9. Click on control link. Here which interface I want to use? Interface 1 and IP address. IP address is 10.10.10.2, 255.255.255.0. No need to give gateway. And backup 1/4 interface 20.20.20.20.2, subnet 255.255.255.0. Done. Just commit. Okay. It's take time. So here I want to go in dashboard. I'm in Paloalto 1. This is the Paloalto 2. So here click here and system and high availability. Yeah, you can see still local is active but peer is unknown, running configuration is not synchronized, version is not getting synchronized, antivirus pan OS is also not, global protects also not, HA is down, HA backup is also down because I have not committed yet. It's showing only 0%. It's take time. So here when our HA will work, all should be synchronized. HA it will show green and it should up 75%. And here I want to show already this line subnet. Line 1 I want to reach 8.8, line 2 I want to reach 8.8 through firewall. So one thing I can do in Palo Alto 1, I will go in Palo Alto 1 and configure. Yeah, you can see link status is 1 and 4 is okay, still 99%. Okay, now I have to show success configuration committed successfully. Yeah, done. Again I have to go in secondary also. I need to go in dash and get system and high availability. Look, this is the local is passive, and here again I will go in dash. Yeah, mine is active passive, mode is active passive, and local active, and peer is passive. Peer is passive, and running configuration is synchronized, app version matching, thread version, antivirus, PanOS, everything. And now you can see HA is up in both. HA is up. Now what I will do, I can do one thing. I will configure this interface in inside zone, and I will give the IP address 1.1. This 1.1 configuration would be reflected to passive as well. So I'm in configuring, I'm interface, which interface 1/2. So interface 1/2 here. Interface 1/2 I want to use as a L3 interface, so just check L3, and here assign interface need to check default, and security zone I will create, and I will give the inside inside security zone inside, and IP address I will use IP address 192.168.1.1/24. Yeah, advanced, go in advanced, the other setting, and check management profile. I want to create management profile and give name ICMP. I want to allow ping and SSH and telnet, HTTP is okay, done. So here IP address is 1.1. okay, now I have to just commit. I am doing in Palo Alto 1. Again what I will do, I will configure this interface should be in outside, so I will configure in outside zone, and I will add assign IP address 8.8.10. This configuration need to be reflected to the passive one. so it's taking time. Configuration committed successfully and done. It's showing 190, so grade something is wrong. Interface 1 by 1. Okay, it should be interface 1 by 2. Interface 1 by 2. I'm correct. 1 by 2. Yeah, inside. I need to ping gateway. 192.168.1.1. I'm not able to ping because interface it's showing. Yeah, I'm not able to ping. Again, I have to check why interface is showing red. Interface okay. Configure but not configured. 1000 Mbps. Something is wrong. Okay, I need to just check. Advance. Okay. Okay, just I have to check whether our uh, interface. Here it's showing 1.1 is okay. I have to check whether this in local is passive and this is working as active, that's why interface okay means this is the active now. You know, that's why it's showing okay. I should be able to ping from yeah, it's pingable. Okay, peer is active and local is passive, so this interface is this firewall is working as a active, and here I want to configure interface 1 by 3. Interface 1 by 3. So first I want to change this should not be as active. Go here, I need to change the viability. Here device priority is 9. I will change 11 and I will commit this Okay, still showing local passive. Okay, commit pending. In Palo Alto, it's take a time to commit the configuration. So just I'm here, still it's showing local passive. Configuration committed successfully. Okay, dashboard, local active. Yeah, you can see I just changed the preemption priority value. That's why this is the local, and now you can see the interface should be also up. Yeah, you can see interface is one by one is up, and I will just change the configuration again. Interface Ethernet 1 by 1, Ethernet 1 by 3, and whatever configuration I will just change here, it will reflect to the secondary, means standby. So interface I will use as a, okay, check. I'm just configuring this interface for outside 8.8.IP address, 8.8.8.10 IP address I will use. So here default security zone, I will create security zone outside. Okay, IP address 8.8.10/24, and IPv6 nothing advanced. Yeah, other information. This IP address should be pingable from outside as well, so I'm just creating management profile, and ICMP is there. Okay, previously I just created ICMP, and here IP address is done. Okay, okay. I'm just going to create, I'm just writing a policy, so I have to go in policy. Here policy I need to create, add, give any name, inside, outside, give any name, universal type, yeah, universal. Source I'm using any, user any, destination select any, application any, application service any, and action I want to allow. Yeah, all to all, inside to outside, and I will create outside to inside. Outside, inside universal source, any user, any destination, select here, any application, any action. Okay, action I want to allow. Okay, yeah, you can see inside to outside or outside to inside, and you have to commit the configuration. It's take time, so configuration is getting reflected or not in secondary. I will go here, interface, here 3 by nothing because I have not committed. Now I need to check whether it's a peer is active. I am the local, it's showing passive, so it's take time. Warning. Okay, okay, configuration is okay. Now I have to check in secondary. Now you can see IP address. I have not configured IP address in secondary. Now IP address is here, and I will go in policy, and two policy I just created in the primary. It should also show here. Yeah, you can see, means our HA is working fine. And I will go in, I'm in LAN 1. I will ping the 8.8.8 whether I am able to ping or not. Not, I'm not getting. Yeah, I'm getting ping. Sorry, repeat 1000. I'm getting ping of 8.8 through firewall. Here also I want to ping 8.8.8. Ping 8.8.8.8. Repeat. Yeah, from here I can ping 8.8.8, and from here also I can ping 8.8.8. so I'm able to ping, nothing to worry. And now I want to see traffic. Just I'm doing active, I'm just doing shutdown, stop. Now it was active, so how many packet I'm losing? 5, 7. No, still, yeah, I can ping the gateway. Now it's going traffic through passive to internet. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will come with another video with another vendor, and very interesting topic would be. Thank you so much.